Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. Back again with Miss Rai Putri. And by the way, in this video I will make a cool video tutorial give at a low cost. So for you guys who want give a surprise to someone you love, whether it's your parents, siblings, boyfriend or girlfriend, friend and others, but you don't have a money, don't worry, because I will make a cool example of a surprise at a low cost. I will make a surprise box, and the theme is a reason why I love you, and how to make it really easy. First, we only need to provide the items. Then we will use a letter. Here are the items. 1. Color paper, right? And glue paper, yes, and scissors, okay, and empty or used box, right? And picture paper, you can take on anywhere. And finally the pen. Okay, dapat on paper glue and pass it. Okay, like this. And alright, okay, then take the picture paper and pass it in the cover box. Okay, yes. Right, like this. Okay. In the cover box, paste the color paper and gives a small love with the word reason why I love you, and the name or initial of the name. Okay, like this, right? After the box is complete, we will make the content of the surprise the reason why I love him. Now take the color paper and cut it long, like this, right? And then cut the small box like this, right? Then write down all the reason to each the small paper. Example, you're handsome boy, right? Like this. Okay, and then roll them and put in the box. Alright, and put all your reason in the box, and finish. You close and finish. Ta-da. Okay, it's done. I think it's enough for this time, and see you in next video. Thanks for watching. I'm Sri Rai Putri.